In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Home to TV. Step 1. Ensure your Google Home device and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the Google Home app and tap on the TV you want to connect to. Make sure your TV is powered on and in casting mode. Step 3. Tap on the Cast button in the Google Home app. Select the TV from the list of available devices. Step 4. Follow the prompts to link your TV with the Google Home app if it hasn't been linked yet. Step 5. After connecting, use voice commands to control the TV, such as "Hey Google, play Netflix on the TV." Follow these steps carefully to achieve the desired outcome with Google Home. For additional troubleshooting or tips, refer to the Google Home support page. Thanks for watching, subscribe.